It's flat screen spline. And we got 100 feet of it, and that's the company, I guess. We got it at Home Depot, so, and as you can see, it's black. All right, so he's giving me a tutorial on how to do this. He's not gonna let me try a real one until I do this one here. So what do I gotta do? You set it down, all right, and then I push this in?
Push the front end in first into the lip.
Like
inside
that?
it. Inside,
like
yes.
That? Oh, it's like you gotta put it on an angle.
But you want to go this direction.
Like that.
Then you want it to.
So I'm pushing this in on like a sideways angle. All right, show me exactly how you do it. We didn't have it right.
No, I'm just.
All right, so you got it on here, and then. All right, so it's got to go in like on a side. It's got to go in on a side. So see how it's like a side? Let's see. Oh, I see how it goes in now. All right, so it pushes down in there. All right, cool. And then you just roll it up. And that's it.
Pull the inside. This is our inside frame. Pull that. Wait, I didn't go all the way.
So it's all the way in there, right? Okay, so just pull on it. Oh, I'm really pulling on it. It's staying in there.
Now pull on this side.
It's coming.
That's how you take it apart and adjust it.
Oh, okay.
You can't pull it this way to the middle of the screen. You always have to leave an outside edge so you can easily pull it out again, because you can never pull it out from this direction.
So you just kind of pull it like that.
You have to pull it out from the outside of the frame.
It just pops out. All right, so I think we got it. So this, when you put it in, is going on an angle like this. So let me get it close up. So it fits down in there on an angle. Oh, okay. Yeah. And then you just roll it in. You can see the little groove on the roller that pushes on the outer edge and smushes it in. All right, I think I got it.
Yeah.
All right. Let's see how I screw up the next one. So you come into the top of the channel here, and you cut out that little bit of excess, just like that. Now, if you accidentally went on this side, what would happen?
Yeah.
That would be the end of your job.
You wouldn't be able to tighten your screen much.
Oh yeah, now you're in trouble. Now you screwed up your whole job. Show it. So this really grabs too. Look, this is ripped here, even so. I'm pulling on this, and it's not coming out. I mean, it's strong. I mean, if I pulled hard enough, it's gonna rip. But it's a pretty good design. And this design is interesting because what they're doing is using physics. So you look at that channel, the round part goes to the bottom, flat part to the top, and it slips in. And what happens is it bends over and it pinches that screen inside of there, so it will not come apart.